Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Celestine, and I'm back with another video. Today I will show you how to draw two simple fish under the sea. You will need A4 printer paper, a pencil, and coloring pens. Let's get drawing. So I'm going to start by doing waves because that's going to be the water. Like that. And then I'm going to start by doing the fish. So it's going to be like an oval shape, but more rounder. And I'm going to do its head and the eyes. And now I'm going to do the scales. Now I'm going to do the fins. So I'm going to draw lines on it, and I'm going to do it on its tail. And if you want, I can draw a smile. Now I'm going to draw the bubbles. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm doing another fish. Now, if you want, you can draw seaweed, some here, some there. So, if you want it to be like this, a crisscross, you need to do an invisible line and then continue. Might even do small fishes. So you see my small fishes, they're crossing the seaweed, across the seaweed, and I did an invisible line. It doesn't so the line doesn't overlap the fish. And you see my fish, they're really nice. Now I am going to do some small little objects like the anchors, or maybe I can do starfishes, or I can do an octopus, like wherever, like in the sea. Now I'm going to color it all in. So I'm going to start by the fish. So I'm going to do my first fish, blue and sky blue, and then this one's going to be purple and pink. So the reason why I made lines all over it, so then the colors won't like come out, like, you know, this, the colors, they just spread out by accident. So like if you do it too quickly, this will come out, the colors will come out of the fish, and that's not good. So I put a line, so then this bit is colored in, so then you have to color in the middle. I'm putting black for the underline, so then you can see the scales. Now I'm going to color in the second fish's scales. Now I'm going to color in the fins and tails. I'm doing this light sky blue, medium blue and dark blue on the fins because it's all in the scales color. And it's much more cooler. You see, now I've started the tips of the fins and tail colored dark purple. Now I'm doing it light purple. I'm going to color the eyes magenta. I'm going to color the outline black for my other fish to see the fish well and the scales. The bubbles are gonna be slightly white and blue. I'm going to color the sea blue, but I'm not going to do it like this because that is going to have lots of ink, so I'm not wasting it. So I'm doing that yan. I'm going to color the octopus red, so first I'm going to outline it so then it doesn't, so the pen doesn't get passed through. I'm going to leave the eyes white because they look much more better, because if I add another red, it's going to be the same thing. Coloring in my seaweed. I'm also going to draw a treasure box. I'm going to color in the fish, all multicolored, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Now I finished the coloring. This is a cool drawing of the fish under the sea. Thank you for watching and drawing with me today. Go ahead and try my tutorial yourself and show everyone your amazing artwork. I hope you enjoyed. Keep being creative and watch out for my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!